case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court upheld the standard of causation pertinent to the Federal Employers Liability Act, FELA. The pivotal case, CSX Transportation, Inc. v. McBride, focused on the liability of a railroad company if its negligence played any role, however slight, in causing or contributing to an employee's injury. The lawsuit emerged from a mishap wherein plaintiff Robert McBride, employed as a locomotive engineer by CSX Transportation, sustained injuries while operating a train with a flawed engine configuration. McBride blamed CSX for negligence, alleging that the company forced him to utilize unsound equipment and failed to furnish appropriate training. The district court, heeding the set standard, decreed that CSX would be held accountable if its negligence had any role in the causation of McBride's misfortune. On its part, CSX Transportation appealed against the ruling and fervently promoted the proximate cause instruction, asserting its relevance in the case in question. However, the Supreme Court declined their appeal. Not only did the court reiterate that FELA cases like McBride's are not bound by the proximate cause standard, but they also deemed the term proximate cause as misleading and largely irrelevant. Echoing the historic Rogers decision from 1957, which introduced the relaxed any-part causation standard, the Supreme Court reaffirmed in McBride's case that the slightest contribution from the employer's negligence in causing the injury establishes liability. In this context, the district court's instructions were found to be accurate and in line with federal directives. The court's ruling helped mitigate the risk of excessive liability and paved the way for a fair and simplified causal interpretation in FELA cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class